Alright, so before you ask, this guy here and this guy over here, and there's one back here, I'm not unboxing them. I already kind of opened him, but I didn't actually take him out of the box, but the issue is I dropped the camera on accident, so yeah. Anyways, quick update. I'm sick right now. I think I might not do any more. Well, my channel is probably gonna get not deleted, but maybe deleted because YouTube's new. Like, I forget. Like, I can't remember right now. But also, I mean, I'm probably just gonna make my channel unboxing videos from now on until I get an actual screen recorder and all that type of stuff. But right now, that doesn't really matter. We're gonna unbox this guy, and there we go. He's unboxed. Now, let me take him out of the box. If I can. I might actually have to drop the camera. Yeah, but there's no there. I've just been quite sick, and I'm getting better. I just have like a runny nose right now, but a little bit clogged up throat. But it's all good. There we go. Let me get these guys out of the way. I don't need them inside the frame. And let me get the junk away from it. Alrighty, Simon Belmont here. Like usual, when they do these human characters, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Yeah, it did focus. Okay. The faces look decent, but they really don't have too much, like, detail in it. I mean, they never look the best at all. I mean, sorry, I have a chair in here. I mean, we got this Ike amiibo here, and his face is, well, not focusing, I don't think. Sorry. But, yeah, see, his face is kind of, well, even less detailed than this one, so, I mean, yeah, it's fine. I like his whip, even though, I'm getting flashbacks to the first one, the Piranha Plant one. I mean, it doesn't really hurt. But if you do press down on it just a bit more, yeah, it'll kind of hurt. Anyways, I'm just gonna hold his body completely. Okay, maybe not. I'm kind of worried if I was to hold this here, it would break. But it is pretty strong. Like, I'm not gonna try bending it though. His hair feels nice. Actually, you know, his hair kind of feels more spiky than the spike ball on here. Hands. I mean, it's all rough mainly, I think. Fur. Yeah, the fur is also sharper than the spike ball here. That's what he looks from behind. Yeah, we'll just do it real quickly, 360, like a... There we go. Yeah, we're professionals at this. I mean, I'm professionals. I mean, I don't want to show this whole room here because why should I? But yeah, he's a pretty good figure. I admit. I mean, it's worth. Well, I don't think it's worth $16, at least in the U.S. But it's good enough. Well, I don't think half of these amiibos deserve it. Like, this one's $12, and that's fine. But do something about the faces, please. Do something about the faces. Anyways, yeah, I guess that's the end, really. See you in like months. Like, yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe. Alright, well, whatever. You can dislike the video, I don't care. Yeah, we're gone. Bye. Hello there. Well, yeah, this is kind of odd, but this is kind of the blooper reel here. This is before I did, before I did the, actual review. Anyways, I was saying the exact same stuff. It's just to show, how I was being kind of an idiot. But, yeah, I'ma just, yeah. You can watch the rest of this, I guess. If I can end it.